Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at modeling a P-38 and I'm going to use formers and loft them. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I need some pictures of the P-38 Lightning. And went up there to insert and canvas, and now I'm going to insert from my computer. And the picture is on my desktop. And I'm going to put it on the side view here. Drag this out. And click OK. And I want to scale this. So come over here to canvas. Right click on this. Calibrate. And let's just say this is going to be 2 meters long. So from here to here, 2,000 millimeters. Scroll in. Okay. And now I'm going to begin tracing each one of these and putting them up here. Okay, so the first one here, come up here, turn on the origin. I want to create a sketch on this plane here and create sketch. Draw a line down here in the center. And use my fit point spline. And straighten this up a bit. Okay, that's better. And the next one here, another line. Fit point spline. And the next one here, same thing. And continue. Another line. And just 4 more. And after I get these all drawn in, then I'm going to move them and get them lined up. And fortunately, these pictures have enough formers to do this. And one more. Okay, now I'll go ahead and finish sketch. And now I'm going to move each one of these up here, get them aligned. So, come up here to move copy. And select this point here. And these are the sketch selections that I want to move. And I rotate this. and click OK. And there's the first one. And we do the same thing, move copy. Change this to sketch objects. Select this right here. Then move this up. And rotate this 90 degrees. And click OK. And the third one, move copy. Rotate this 90 degrees. Click OK. And I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of these. So I'm not going to be talking too much anymore here. And just two more. And the last one. Okay, now we have all these formers drawn in here. Now what I'm going to do is now loft. Hey, zero this out. And click OK. And that's what we have. Now I'm going to mirror this. And we have our body here. Now what I'm going to do is put a rail up here to drive this up here. So I'm going to come back down here to sketch, edit. Fit point spline. And I'm going to move that up a little more. And finish this. Come back down here to the loft. Edit. Okay. Now I want to add a rail. And click OK. There. All right. And I need to add a rail on the bottom to make that look better too. And straighten this up. Finish sketch. Okay. And there's our center section. Turn these bodies off. Okay. Now I'm only doing this just to make this look a little better visually. Finish sketch. And come up here, split body. Turn bodies back on. This is the body to split. Splitting tools. And click OK. All right. Now that we have the center section, what I'm going to do now is the boom here. And the boom is done the same way as this, except this portion's right along here, which would be right through here. We can't really loft these because there's not a good transition from this one to this one. If I loft it this to this, this is going to come out. So what I need to do is just not draw these sides here and just round these off and then come back and later and put these in here. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, the same thing. Okay, what I'm going to do here now, um, um, I've got these all drawn. There's no sense in showing you guys wasting your time drawing these other ones. So what I'm going to do here is just draw these shapes right here, these three, which is this section right around here, and show you how to take care of those first. And then the next time you see me when I come back, I'll have this nacelle put up here and put in lofted. Also, I'll show you how to loft this. So yeah. So see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, now we've got all of these drawn, and as you can see, what I did here, I excluded this from this, and also as this came up around here, I just extended it over here and did the same thing with this one back here. And so now what I'm going to do is just move all these down in the right position, and then go ahead and loft them. So next time I come back, you'll see these all in the correct position, and then I'll show you guys how to go ahead and loft them. Okay, we have all the formers here now. They're all been drawn, and they're all aligned up here. And what I can see right now is some problems before I even loft this. The right through here is going to be slightly off because these are flat on the top, 17 and 18. So what I should have done is just extended this up here through the top and extended this one up through here to the top also. Just imagine this being round on the top and then coming back later on and cutting that section out and making it flat on top. So you'll see what I mean when I loft these. So I'll go ahead and loft these. And these are fine up front here. Then right here is when it starts to get a little wonky because of those two. Okay. Now, as you can see right through here, it's a little wonky because of these two right here. So what I'm going to do is go back and redraw 17 and 18 and extend this curve up through here on both of these, and this will pull this down, so this will be nice throughout here on the bottom. Then what I'll do later on is just have to come back where it's flat on the top here and just cut this out flat on the top. So that's what I'm going to do now. So this loft here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. Delete these two here, 17 and 18. Okay, and I'm going to redraw 17 and 18. So come up here to create sketch on this plane here. Do a line. And imagine it about right up here. Fit point spline. And the same thing with 18. Okay, go ahead and finish sketch. Move copy. Cancel that. And move this one up. 17. Same thing for 18. And it looks like 19 could be a little longer too. So this particular one right here, as you can see, it doesn't look very nice. The profiles don't match up side to side. So what I'm going to do for 19, maybe I can just move it down. Let's take a look at this. Move copy. Okay, let's go ahead and loft this and see what we have now. Okay. Not too bad. And to get these bolts out of here, we're going to have to put some rails in here to pull these out, which is no problem. So, also, I'm going to have to move this and turn the other body on. Okay, now this is our start of this. Let me go ahead and mirror this also. Okay, and it looks like Fusion has frozen on me here. Don't know why. But let's see what it does. Okay, all right. I should have mirrored that when it was in the center. And I still can do that. Just go back. But no biggie. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And the next time I come back with this P-38, I'm going to show you guys how to put the rails in here to pull these out. So this is a nice and smooth. And maybe put some rails in here and smooth this out also. And also how to put the these back in here to make this, I don't know what they're called, these scoops, engine scoops, back in here to make those look like this. But this is what we have so far. And it's not bad. I just have to, like I said, I just have to go back in, put rails in here to clean up everything. And once I put the rails in here and get everything cleaned up, this is not a very difficult plane to model either. So yeah. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And also like and comment on my videos also. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And also I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look. And you guys have a great rest of your week. And we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.